The warm-up track sheet is a more detailed way to keep track of your daily warm-up routine. I really urge students to write this information down because it is too difficult and really unnecessary to commit this to memory. I divide a full warm-up into 7 categories. Let's walk through them. Tone exercises focus on developing core and consistent sound through all registers. Chromatic refers to small repetitive interval changes that work and warm up the fingers. It often involves half steps and whole steps, but not exclusively, and does not refer to full chromatic scales. Scales include full major, minor, chromatic, and other scalar patterns. Intervals include patterns that involve skips and leaps, and it focuses on maintaining a good sound throughout the registers. Articulation warm-ups focus on both efficiency of articulation and endurance. Intonation focuses on pitch exercises of equal temperament and just intonation. Other is reserved for exercises that do not easily fall into the first 6 categories. A full warm-up includes at least 1 exercise from each category. I recommend you do your warm-up in the order listed from left to right, but feel free to make adjustments. For example, sometimes I do my articulation warm-up prior to scales, especially when my scalar patterns involve several types of articulation. When you complete an exercise, mark what you have done on the sheet. This includes the item number, start and stop point, and tempo if applicable. If your exercise does not have identifiable markings, make up your own. For example, I like to do 1 measure a day from the School of Articulation by Marcel Muehl, exercise number 1. I mark the first line of measures A through L. The second line, AA through L, and the third line, AAA through L. Using the warm-up track sheet helps you realize what areas of your playing you are neglecting. It easily tracks progress on long, multi-part warm-up exercises, and it shows you your success over time. Printable versions of these materials are available at nathanmuehl.com.